In this video we'll unbox the carrying case for the Pico 4 VR headset from Syntech, which they've kindly sent to us to check out. If you're interested, you can check their website at syntechhome.com or click the link in the description below. As you can see here, I've already opened the box, but that's because I wasn't sure what's inside. I didn't do anything else, so let's check it out now. Alright. So it does look really cool. It does look premium and it feels sturdy. Really nice. So that's how it looks inside. It has this to keep your headset tight. Hard carrying case for Quest and also for Pico 4. I think it fits as well. Exactly. I mean, was this for Quest or for Pico 4? Check this out. Pico 4 definitely. And that's right. That's how you keep your VR headset safe. And you can carry it like this. That's really cool. Way to go, Syntech. And as you can see, really easy to take it out. And it keeps it really nice and cool. Everything is soft. And the outside is hard. Right. Let's put it back here because we want to keep it safe. Also, let's not forget about the charger and the charging cable right there. Yeah, I think that's a better position for these controllers for Pico 4. If you're into virtual reality and you like exploring new gadgets, you should check the Pico 4 unboxing next. I'll give you an up-close look at the headset's design, features and accessories, helping you decide if it's the right choice for you. See you on the next one. Pow!